Tired of feeling financially stuck and ready to unlock a world of possibilities with a Scotiabank credit card? Let's dive into the simple steps of getting your own Scotiabank credit card, so you can start building credit and enjoying amazing rewards. First, head over to the Scotiabank website. You can easily find the credit card section on the main menu. Click on it to explore the variety of options available. Scotiabank offers a range of credit cards to suit different needs. Whether you're looking for cashback, travel rewards, or low interest rates, take some time to compare the features and benefits of each card to find the one that aligns best with your spending habits and financial goals. Consider options like the Scotia Momentum for cashback, the Scotia Gold American Express for travel rewards, or the Scotia Scene Visa for movie perks. Before you start the application process, gather the necessary documents. Generally, you'll need proof of income, like a recent pay stub, government identification, such as a driver's license or passport, and proof of your current address, like a utility bill. Now, let's fill out the application. You can apply online, over the phone, or in person at a Scotiabank branch. Be honest and accurate when providing your personal and financial information. Double-check everything before submitting. After submitting your application, Scotiabank will review it and determine your eligibility. If approved, you'll receive your new credit card in the mail. Within a few weeks, activate your card as soon as you get it and start enjoying the benefits of responsible credit card usage. Remember to pay your balance on time and keep your spending within your limit. That's it. You're on your way to building a solid credit history and making the most of your new Scotiabank credit card.